What's up guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video we are going to learn how to turn off Microsoft Teams from automatically starting on system startup. Now if you are using Windows 10, it is a really easy and simple method, but if you are using Windows 7 or Windows 8, then I'll show you another method for it later. First we'll see for Windows 10. So for that, all you need to do is first go on the search option, type startup and open startup apps. Once you are on startup apps, scroll all the way down and find Microsoft Teams. And you can see here that it is turned on. All you need to do is just turn this off and Microsoft Teams won't start on system startup. Now if this method doesn't work, or if by any chance you are turning this off and it's still not working, then there is another method. For that, let's just close this window first. Go on your search option and type msconfig. Open system configuration. Go on startup. Then click on open task manager and scroll down and find if Microsoft Teams is turned on or turned off. Here it is turned on, but you can either enable it and disable it again just to make sure that it won't start again on system startup. These two methods should work guys, and I hope you have found this video helpful. If yes, do give a thumbs up